Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus VSCode. We'll explore their core differences, starting with Cursor's unique AI-first approach. While both are powerful code editors, Cursor integrates artificial intelligence directly into its workflow, offering a distinct experience. VSCode, on the other hand, provides a robust, open-source platform, celebrated for its extensive customization and a marketplace boasting tens of thousands of extensions. Understanding these foundational differences is key to choosing the right tool for your development needs. When it comes to AI, Cursor truly shines with its integrated capabilities. Imagine chatting with your code, generating new functions, or fixing errors, all powered by AI directly within the editor. VS Code, while incredibly powerful, relies on its vast extension marketplace for AI features. You typically install a third-party extension, like GitHub Copilot, to bring similar intelligence to your workflow. This means Cursor offers a more out-of-the-box, cohesive AI experience, whereas VS Code provides flexibility through choice. Regarding performance and ecosystem, VS Code is celebrated for its lean architecture and incredible extensibility. Its marketplace offers over 50,000 extensions, allowing developers to tailor their environment precisely. Cursor, leveraging the VS Code foundation, integrates its AI models directly, which might result in a slightly larger initial footprint. However, this integration means fewer external dependencies for core AI tasks. VS Code offers unparalleled flexibility, while Cursor provides a more opinionated, AI-centric environment right from the start. So, which editor is right for you? Cursor is an excellent choice if you prioritize an AI-first development experience, seeking integrated assistance for coding, debugging, and refactoring. It's perfect for rapid prototyping and leveraging AI directly. VS Code, conversely, remains the go-to for developers who demand ultimate customization, a massive community, and a lightweight editor that can be molded with tens of thousands of extensions. Your decision hinges on whether you prefer an AI-driven workflow or a highly personalized, extension-based environment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.